In the heart of Angeles City, a new chapter in refined living is rising. Welcome to Aurelio at Rockwell at Nepo Center, where modern comfort meets the timeless charm of Pampanga. Here, life flows with ease and purpose. Aurelio is part of the growing Rockwell Nepo community, surrounded by lifestyle essentials, cultural landmarks, and the warmth of a city rich in heritage. With convenient access to Clark Airport, major expressways, and neighboring provinces, it places you at the crossroads of connection and opportunity, close to home and close to the world. Step inside the community and breathe. Here, 78% of the development is open space, a rare privilege in today's urban landscape. Lush greenery, wide lawns, and calm walkways invite you to slow down, reconnect, and simply be. At the center, you'll find thoughtfully planned amenities. A serene lap pool, a kiddie pool for playful afternoons, a clubhouse with function rooms, a fully equipped gym, and open spaces like the Great Lawn, barbecue areas, and shaded gazebos. This is a community where families gather, friendships grow, and days unfold naturally. Then there's the seamless convenience. Aurelio offers basement access to the Power Plant Mall, Rockwell's signature lifestyle destination. Dining, shopping, leisure, and everyday essentials are just steps away. No need to rush. No need to drive. Just live. Each residence at Aurelio is designed to elevate calm, space, and light. High ceiling heights up to 3 meters create openness and air. Large windows welcome natural brightness. Balconies extend your living space to the outdoors. And an open kitchen layout encourages gatherings, sharing, and daily living that feels warm and connected. Choose from thoughtfully designed 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom layouts, from cozy personal sanctuaries to spacious family homes with sweeping views, including the quiet beauty of Mount Arayat. Every finish has been selected to be enduring and refined. Engineered wood flooring, solid surface kitchen countertops, well-appointed cabinetry, and elegant tile work in the baths. Aurelio is built to last, with 100% backup power, in-house property management, and professional leasing support to care for your home and investment. This is more than a home. It is a life beautifully lived. A home where stories continue, families grow, and moments are cherished. Where peace meets possibility. Where elegance meets everyday ease. Where Pampanga's heritage meets Rockwell's signature lifestyle. This is Aurelio at Rockwell at Nepo Center. A place to come home to. A place to belong. A place to live remarkably, every single day.